As the 2025 Enduro season kicks into high gear, riders are seeking bikes that can conquer the most challenging terrains with agility, power, and precision. The latest crop of Enduro bikes showcases significant advancements in suspension technology, frame geometry, and electronic integration, catering to both seasoned racers and adventurous trail enthusiasts. From high-pivot suspension systems that enhance downhill stability to lightweight carbon frames designed for efficient climbing, the 2025 lineup offers a diverse range of options. Whether you're aiming for podium finishes or thrilling weekend escapades, the top Enduro bikes of this year promise to elevate your riding experience. In this video, we'll delve into the top 5 Enduro bikes of 2025, highlighting their standout features and what makes each one a formidable choice for tackling the gnarliest trails. Propain Spindrift 5AL. The Propain Spindrift 5AL is a formidable freeride and enduro bike designed for aggressive riders seeking top-tier performance. Built with a robust blend alloy frame, it combines 6066-T, 6-tubing 6061-T6 milled and forged parts, and 7075-T6 rockers and axles, ensuring exceptional strength and fatigue resistance. The frame offers 180mm of rear travel, complemented by a 180mm front fork, delivering a balanced and responsive ride. Geometry-wise, the Spindrift 5AL features a slack 63.5-degree head angle and a 76.4-degree effective seat angle, optimizing stability on descents and efficiency on climbs. The PRO10 suspension system enhances agility and traction, making it adept at handling technical terrains. Riders can choose between full 29-inch wheels for stability or a mixed setup, 29-inch front, 27.5-inch rear, for increased maneuverability. The bike's build kits cater to various preferences and budgets. The base model starts at €3,000, featuring a RockShox ZEB fork and SRAM GX Eagle drivetrain. The Swedish Gold kit, priced at €5,500, upgrades to Öhlins suspension and SRAM GX Eagle transmission. The Ultimate kit, €6,320, includes RockShox Vivid Air, Ultimate Shock, and SRAM EXO Eagle transmission. For the pinnacle of performance, the factory kit at €8,070 boasts Fox 38 factory fork, Fox DHEX 2-coil SLS shock, and SRAM Double X Eagle transmission. With a starting weight of 16.2 kilograms in size, the Spindrift 5AL balances durability with performance. It's a versatile choice for riders aiming to conquer both challenging climbs and aggressive descents. Marin Alpine Trail XR. The Marin Alpine Trail XR is a robust enduro bike designed for riders seeking high performance on challenging trails. Built around a Series 4 6061 aluminum frame, it features a Multitrack 2 LT suspension platform with 160mm rear travel and a 170mm RockShox ZEB Ultimate fork, delivering exceptional control and stability. The bike offers geometry adjustability via flip chips and a modular headset, allowing riders to fine-tune the head tube angle and bottom bracket height to suit their preferences. Equipped with a SRAM GX Eagle 12-speed drivetrain, the Alpine Trail XR ensures smooth and reliable shifting across a wide range of gears. The SRAM DB 8.4 piston hydraulic disc brakes provide powerful stopping power with 200mm rotors, enhancing safety on steep descents. The wheels feature a mixed setup with a 29 inches front and 27.5 inches rear, optimizing traction and agility. Maxxis Assegai tires with Exo Plus and double down casings offer excellent grip and durability. For added convenience, the bike includes integrated down-tube storage, providing space for essential tools and supplies. The Transex YSP39 dropper post offers 150 to 200mm of travel, depending on frame size, allowing for quick saddle adjustments on the fly. Priced at $4,700, the Marin Alpine Trail XR offers a well-rounded package for enduro enthusiasts, combining performance, adjustability, and value. Its thoughtful design and quality components make it a compelling choice for riders looking to tackle demanding trails with confidence. MERIDA E160 SL10K. The MERIDA E160 SL10K is a high-performance EMTB designed for riders seeking a lightweight yet robust machine capable of tackling demanding enduro trails. Weighing approximately 19.7 kilograms in size L, it stands out in its class for its agility and power. At the heart of the E160 SL10K is the Bosch Performance Line SX motor, delivering 55 Nm of torque and powered by a fully integrated 400 Wh battery. This motor provides a natural riding feel, assisting without overpowering the rider's effort. An optional 250 Wh range extender can be added for extended rides. The bike features a full carbon CF4 frame with 160 mm of travel front and rear, utilizing a Fox 36 float factory fork and a Fox Float X factory shock. This setup ensures excellent traction and control across various terrains. The SRAM XX Eagle transmission, AXS 12-speed drivetrain, offers precise shifting, complemented by SRAM Maven Ultimate 4-piston brakes with 200 mm rotors for reliable stopping power. Rolling on FSA SC I30 carbon wheels with Maxxis Assegai and Minion DHR2 tires, the E160 SL10K delivers superior grip and durability. The Raceface Era handlebar and MERIDA Expert ETR2 stem provide a comfortable and responsive cockpit setup. The Fox Transfer Factory dropper post offers 210 mm of travel, allowing for quick saddle adjustments on the fly. Priced at €11,000, the MERIDA E160 SL10K offers a premium package for serious EMTB enthusiasts. Its combination of lightweight construction, advanced components, and powerful assistance makes it a formidable choice for tackling challenging enduro trails. Scott Ransom 900 RC. The Scott Ransom 900 RC is a cutting-edge enduro bike that masterfully blends aggressive downhill capability with efficient climbing performance. Priced at $10,000, this flagship model features a full HMX carbon frame equipped with Scott's integrated suspension technology and a 6-bar linkage system, delivering 170 mm of travel at both ends. The Fox 38 Float Factory Grip 2-fork and Fox Float X Nude Factory shock offer exceptional adjustability, while the track-lock remote system allows on-the-fly suspension mode changes. The SRAM X Zero Eagle AXS wireless drivetrain ensures precise shifting, complemented by SRAM Code Ultimate Stealth 4-piston brakes with 200 mm rotors for reliable stopping power. The Raceface Turbine R30 wheels are shod with Maxxis Assegai and Dissector tires, providing optimal grip and durability. A standout feature is the Synchros Matchbox IS integrated tool storage, conveniently housed in the down tube, offering essential tools like a spare tube, tire levers, and a multi-tool. Weighing approximately 15.2 kilograms in size, the Ransom 900 RC maintains a low weight without compromising strength. Its geometry, with a 63.8-degree head angle and 77.4-degree effective seat angle, strikes a balance between stability and agility. The bike's design emphasizes integration and functionality, featuring internal cable routing and a sleek carbon frame that conceals the shock. In summary, the Scott Ransom 900 RC is a high-performance enduro bike that excels in both technical climbs and aggressive descents, making it a top choice for riders seeking versatility and cutting-edge design. Stark VARG EX. The Stark VARG X is a groundbreaking electric enduro motorcycle that redefines performance, technology, and sustainability in off-road riding. Available in 2 configurations, Standard, 60 horsepower, priced at $12,900, and Alpha, 80 horsepower, at $13,900, the VARG EX delivers unparalleled power and versatility. At its core, the VARG EX features a 7.2 kWh honeycomb magnesium battery, offering a range of 1.3 to 7 hours depending on riding conditions. The battery charges fully in 1 to 2 hours using a 240 volts outlet, ensuring minimal downtime. The electric PMAC motor delivers up to 80 horsepower and 1,036 Newton-meters of torque at the rear wheel, providing instant acceleration and a responsive ride. The bike's chassis is constructed from high-strength steel, complemented by a lightweight carbon fiber subframe that doubles as a cooling system for the drivetrain. KYB suspension components offer 300 mm of travel front and rear, tuned specifically for enduro applications. Brembo hydraulic disc brakes, 260 mm front and 220 mm rear, ensure reliable stopping power in all conditions. Technological innovation is at the forefront with the integrated Arkenstone Android device, providing GPS trail recording, turn-by-turn navigation, and customizable riding modes. Riders can adjust power delivery, engine braking, and regenerative settings on the fly, tailoring the bike's performance to their preferences. Fully road legal in Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and parts of the United States, the VARG EX combines off-road prowess with street-ready features. Its silent operation and zero emissions make it an eco-friendly choice without compromising performance. In summary, the stock VARG EX stands as a testament to the future of electric enduro motorcycles, offering exceptional power, advanced technology, and environmental consciousness in a sleek, customizable package.